唔該啊。Two clips holding this, so you need to pry this out and then pull it out. So we are now pulling out the carpet liner here and then run the wire from here to here. Pull this off. Connect back to here. And then another side, you connect to the long wire here. And for the purple wire here, you can find a black connector here. See? This one. So you tap into the green wire, this one. You just tap it here. Okay, so the purple wire tap into this one. Remember to connect back to this hole. Okay. There are three ways to wire the pole wire. Let me talk about the first way first. The first way is you run the wire underneath the rubber here, and then use the extension cord provided, and then run the wire into here, back into the trunk. Second way involves removing the headlight. So now let's do the removal part. So first step, you need to unscrew this screw. And then in here, inside the carpet, there are some bolts, which is, I believe is 8 mm bolts. 1, 2. After removing the two 8 mm bolts, you unplug the light, push down and pull it out. After that, you can simply remove the headlight. After removing the headlight, actually we test it, you can still push through this hole, and the connector can still go inside, so we can run the wire from here to here. Now we are going to remove the bumper. There are 3 clips here that you need to pry it out first. 1, 2, and there's one in the way inside. Wait. Behind the wheel. Here, the 10 mm bolt, same as here, this side. So right now we are going to remove the front part. So in order to remove that, you just pull this out, and then there are 4 clips, so be careful, pull it from behind. So we run the power wire from here all the way to the inside the cabin, and then here, and then run along here. Okay, we run the wire along the trim pieces here, and there are 2 ways to go to the front. This is the better way. So you go from here. This is the passenger side footwell. So you run the wire here. You remove the carpet in the top left bottom in the passenger side footwell. You can see a rubber here that lead the wire to the front. So you just need a drill bit to drill a little hole and run the wire from here to the trunk to the front area. Okay, in the footwell, it actually goes from the footwell area to here, where you can pull the wire from here to here, and then you can connect to the 12 volt. This is for the 12 volt. So we remove this connector. We connect this here until we hit a click, and then we connect this to here, and then connect this to the battery. So I think this one is an 8mm. Okay, so we connect the 12 volt here. There's a fuse here, and this is the connector we just talked about it before. Okay, now you see here, we tap the purple wire to the can L and the light blue wire to the can H. The connector is here, see, and I'm pointing to the top one, the light blue and the purple. These two, not the lower one, the middle one here, the dark purple. To change the lock, usually you need to remove this plastic cover. It's very easy, just pull it out and then change head. This is a Torque 45. So now we run all the wire. We're doing the test now. So connect this one here, the pole wire to here, and then the other here. Here is this one is for the power, and then this one is for the CAN bus. So let's connect the CAN bus first. Here, and then this one is in here. But let's connect the lock. So the lock here. Okay, finally we connect the power. Okay. This is the foot sensor. If you want to install it, you need to remove the bumper, which we just teach you how to do. And then you use the double side tape, the white side. Put the double side tape and then place it in the middle, around here. For this cable, you can either run it through here, inside the car, or there's a hole here. You remove the rubber and then thread it inside. Oh, but we can use this one. Place it. Okay. With the provided wire for the foot sensor, let's connect to the wire that we just went through, and then this connect to the ground. Where's the ground? Here. In here. You just loosen it and then put it in here. Same as the electric tailgate. Here is where we put the ground. And for the power, we can just tap it into the to the electric tailgate where we will run to the front end. Yeah, we run it from the trunk through the rubber tube to here, and actually we are tapping to the purple wire with our kit. Okay, like this.